I don't know what it is, but like my motivation to play this game has just like slowly been decreasing. I don't know if it's like the new updates or what it is really, but like just playing this game kind of feels like a chore. I don't really like it, to be honest, at the moment. I feel like I'm forced to play this one deck. It's not a bad deck at the minute by any means, but I'm kind of like forced to play it because it's just like the only deck that's like the only deck that I've leveled up. Like I have like 2 other cards leveled up that aren't in this deck, which is honestly absurd that I've been playing this game for 4 years and I've fucking only got this many cards leveled up. Yeah, I find it like a bit bizarre and definitely should not be the case. I'm just gonna E-Spirit down low. He might just go for a Princess here. Okay, I'm gonna... If that kills it in one shot, yep. I might hog over with this because honestly, keeping up the pressure. Even if he goes Tesla, it might, like it's gonna get trickled down. Okay, is not hit? Yep. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's really good. If I'm gonna go for a Goblins here on the side, might bait out just like some Skeletons. It might be a hit. No. Okay, I'm gonna cycle the Spear in the middle. Slow on this. Just knight the middle. I am back around to my Hog Rider. I'm just gonna do this here and do this up high because that should kill the knight. Oh wait, what the hell? I'm just gonna log on this one. And I'm just gonna Earthquake on this. Stick on what's name here. Just Goblins up high, and that should tank for the rest of it. Hog Rider plus what's name. Hopefully bait out some more Alexa. A rocket, okay, that's a full rocket. If he goes for Tesla here, I'm just gonna... Then I'm just gonna knight up high. Goblins also up high. Get a barrel down, let me get what's name down. Hopefully protect my Firecracker. I'm just gonna get a protective Firecracker because we do life. I'm gonna what's name down. I'm also gonna Hog Rider. Hopefully I can get a shot. No, no shot. I'm gonna Earthquake on the tower. Okay. He might be is he back to Bridge Princess? Honestly bad. I was never gonna do that because it's a horrible Firecracker by me. Super bad. At least I'm gonna kill the Tesla. I am gonna go in Earthquake here. Goblins up to the side. Earthquake does fully counter that. I'm gonna Firecracker in the middle as well because they're all gonna die. Knight the middle. I'm just gonna put on this. Hope you're taking that log. Goblin in the front. Earthquake on this, I'm not taking that much damage. It's like a dead Tesla as well. I'm almost back around to Hog Rider as well. That's really good. Bad log. He might be back to Evo Skellies. Oh, that's at least back to Tesla. I'm gonna Earthquake. Hopefully I can get a hit. Bad play. Bad log by me. Good catches. I'm gonna log here. Oh, what a shit play by this guy. I'm gonna Hog Rider with this. Another knight down. No, Goblins plus E-Spirit is giving up. Good game, honestly. Like, it's a decent matchup for me, but played it really well. Okay, we're in the first game here against this guy. I just got off playing Fortnite a couple hours ago, and it was probably the most fun I've had playing a video game in a hot minute. I played with my brother, my stepdad, and my mum. Absolute nutters to play with. None of them are good, neither am I. And yeah, like we did alright, I would say. Got a couple of wins in the reboot Royale or whatever the thing is. The bad bomb tower. It's like 3 already hits too. 3 hits actually. I was kind of joking. It's gonna suck a log. He is playing like minor poison, it looks like. Like Gobble poison, I mean. No Evo, I don't think. Might be Tornado as well. Oh, I just... Yep. He will just bomb tower here, looks like. I'm gonna Earthquake, might be able to catch the skulls as well. Got one of them, so it should be a bit of damage. I could even Firecracker, not that much of a loser. I am, but I'm not going to. Yeah, it's a lot of fun playing on Fortnite, just weird. I had to re-download it today, or update it. I used to be good back in the day. Now I'm absolute fucking horrible. Just gonna do this up high. Put 9 up. This should allow me to go for a... What's the name? Yes, the bait's across. Hopefully that hits his magic archer as well, which it does, it doesn't. Should we hit that? Okay. Good Evo Flagra. I'm gonna Evo test that because I don't trust it. Sneaky little bitch. Fuck this guy. Man, I hate people who play Magic Archer. It's just such like a cheesy card. It requires like little to no skill, honestly. Evo Valk's just gonna bail him out. Or not, he's horrible. Spiegelman's die. I'm just gonna Goblins the back. He's not playing poison, is he? Horrible log. Just gonna locate myself. Get a Tesseract freeze what's that Magic Archer if he does go for it. I'm an idiot. Oh, this is a joke of a game. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Wait, plus how many trophies? Plus a cheeky little 28. Fucking shit. Okay, I've been experimenting. I'm like, what happens if I go into the game with a bad mindset? Like, does that make me lose? Is the mindset what's like separating me from other people? Or is it just like, is it me? Is it me, or does that like, that should never work, right? Because he should be down like fucking 15 Alexa, because he's just overcommitted so much. Oh my god. If I go Firecracker at the back, on 0, I'm on 10. Wait a second. If I just spam Hog Rider 0 here, he's in here. If he goes anything other than... He's dead. What the fuck is that? No, let's just go Shanghai. I think they're 2 hit by tower. I got cannon. Either I'm gonna earthquake that. If I go Hog Rider here, I could probably just win, but I'm scared if he goes Hog Rider. I'm just gonna log. Yeah, I just did speak. Honestly, I fucking played so bad and I still won. Definitely a positive mindset that won me that game. Oh yeah. I think about in this climb, I haven't climbed up. I always find myself climbing downwards because I find pushing lower is actually harder. Definitely. My hands are frosting and my brain is also just giving up on me at this point. And that's yeah, that's all she wrote. I feel like I played this game really well, honestly. I feel like this guy really just outplayed me, and that's the reason I lost the game. I got outplayed, and I feel like that's how all games should be. Like, if you get outplayed, you lose. I feel like that's a good way to have the game. Like that lava hound back, like in the back, man, that got me good. Like honestly, I was a bit dazed. I think I'm a bit like. I think this guy should just go pro, honestly. Yeah, I don't know what to say, to be honest. Like, oh my god, my Tesla did what I wanted it to do. Oh my god, his barbs are just gonna kill my tower. Oh. Guys, and that's how you get there. I'm not playing anymore. Fuck this game. This is so stupid. I'll see you guys in about another fucking 40